Hey you guys, I'm Steven.
I'm Giselle.
And we're Lovers Passport. We're going to be taking you guys on a fun, muddy adventure today. Alright you guys, we just got here. We are excited. Everyone here is amped.
Everyone's hyped. Everyone came out of the car cheering, "Muddy buddies!"
They're like taking pre-workout. We're like, what are we in for? They're talking about elbow pads. We didn't bring anything.
We're like, oh god, what are we in for?
So anyway, this is Ryan. If you didn't know, I went to high school with him. He is stoked. None of us have ever run a Tough Mudder, so
we're doing the 10K. I've never run more than a 5K in my entire life. We also didn't train for this. Don't recommend doing that.
We're gonna keep you updated. This is from we just do hiking and you know the usual stuff, but you know we're out here. We're gonna try something new. If you've never heard of Tough Mudder, just go look it up right now before you watch this.
All right, we just got all registered. We got our wristbands and we're about to go start.
Are you ready for this? Let's count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're in the mud. Gee. I went head in. How are we feeling?
So cold.
My feet are freezing.
5 obstacles in. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here comes the big one. Ryan, how you doing?
Great, buddy. Great, buddy. Yeah, good job.
There's G. Seven obstacles down. We're cruising. How you feeling?
Good, that was fun. I like that one.
It looks like we're done with the mud, at least right now. Got a couple miles to kill. 1 mile to...
Oh god, oh god.
Here we go. Come on. Let's go, guys.
This is comical.
Ryan, what's going through your head right now?
Don't get shot.
That one is close.
This one's a tight squeeze.
Yes, it is.
This is where those people who brought elbow pads, smart.
Genius.
Let's go, G. You're killing it.
Gotta go.
Oh. What happened?
My hands.
Let's go, Steven!
Last obstacle.
Yeah, buddy! Very nice.
Ryan's trying to get convinced to come through right now.
Oh, back, Ryan, go!
Let's go,
yes,
Ryan!
Yes! Ryan, you're doing it! You're killing it! Yeah!
We did it, guys! All right, Ryan, tell us how Tough Mudder really was.
It was excellent. Definitely would recommend. It was so much fun.
What did you learn?
I learned that I should probably do a little bit more running in my life.
Ryan did not do any training either.
No training, but I think anyone can do it as long as you're reasonably in shape.
You know what they said? That was one of my favorite quotes. When was the last time you did something for the first time? All right, we just finished our Tough Mudder, guys.
It was a wild experience, but we highly recommend doing one.
We did the 10K. It was so much fun.
I did the 10K with no training. I still survived, you guys.
Yeah, neither of us have done any training. Obviously, we do hiking and stuff, but so much fun. We think that almost anyone could do this. What we would recommend doing,
Start with a 5K.
yeah, start with a 5K. You still do all the best obstacles. After that, make sure you have some good shoes that you don't care about too much. You want good traction. That was the biggest thing that we learned from this course. Wear some nice waterproof stuff that you don't mind getting wet, because you get wet not just on mile 1 or the end.
You get wet constantly.
Every single mile. So it was so much fun though. This is our first one of hopefully many to come. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let us know down below, and we would love to go to some more Tough Mudders or Spartan races or some more adventurous things and take you guys along.
Yes, we're hopefully going to be doing the SoCal one later this year, so if you guys are interested, I believe our coupon code should still work for that one as well, so we'll leave it in the description box below. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more